What are some of the numerological remedies that everyone should do in 26?
First of all, pray to the rising sun. Say any Surya mantra that you know.
Give us one Surya mantra.
I say Jai Shri Adityaya Namah. There is Jai Suryaya Namah. There is Gayatri mantra. बड़े छोटे बहुत sizes में हैं. So whatever makes you happy, do that. Control your temper because number one year है, you can have a lot of temper. Control your ego. This year can make all of us very egoistic. So control it. Leadership is the most beautiful thing of a number one. And who is a good leader? A leader who will take his team along. So concentrate on teamwork this year. Not only कि मैं अपना ही देखूं और मैं अपना ही पैसे के बारे में सोचूं. You have to think of your team. So as I said, मेरा तो favorite 24 है. मैं ये साल भी 24 लिखूंगी. But you all can try 19, 37 or 46. Whatever suits you. Wear light colors. Wear yellow, oranges, copper. Wear blue. वो तो evergreen है. Also, all of us should try to wear a ruby. Try for 15-20 days. If it suits you, well and good.
If someone has an unlucky date of birth, they want to change the name, but they do not want to go through the rigmarole of, changing, making an affidavit, changing all their documents. So what is the solution?
See, in our numerology, there are only solutions. First of all, you come to know your characteristics just by your date of birth. Because of your characteristics, you come to know कि मेरे लिए कौन सी field अच्छी है. Okay, I'm this kind of a person. Will I be able to do that? Your health problems, your lucky numbers, your lucky colors, your lucky stones, your lucky mobile numbers, your lucky bank account numbers, your lucky locker numbers. The partner you should marry if you're not married. If you're married, to nibao. So many things are given in a report, even if you don't want to change your name and your signature. Everybody is doing it. But there are a few who are hesitant, or if you're living in a foreign country, there too you cannot go and change your name. So if you're in a country waiting for your PR or your green card, then you can't go and change your name. So for such people, we have only report package in which they get to see all these things, they get their lucky things, and they start applying it.
What are some of the tips to keep in mind when launching a company?
As I said, this year many people are going to launch their own firms, and many people are wanting it. First thing, do not start with alphabets PFMTD. Any company name. Other alphabets, आप कोई भी start कर सकते हो, and then you have to, of course, get it rectified. You just can't keep any name when you're living in the world of numerology. The name of your company should be good, like Shloka did it for Body to Being. We have rectified. ऐसे rectify it, grow. Did you see in recent, did you read about it? GROWW. It's an IPO company spelled by us, and the youngest chap to become a billionaire just added one W in his grow, done by us. So, name should come on a good vibration. The company name should always go upward, like Sayara. Sayara did it like this. So we
On
have
your
to-
suggestion.
Yes, and it has to go upward like this. Name your company on a good number. Take a lady partner of your house, whether it's your mother, sister, or anybody. If once a woman figure is there, the real Lakshmi of the house is also involved in that property or that business, it flourishes even more.
Acha, always?
Yes, always it's a rule. Take
Acha.
your wife, daughter, mother, somebody, तो और भी अच्छा होता है.
Acha, so always have property with a woman, jointly with a woman.
If she's
Or
your
in a home,
wife or mother, or if you're starting a business, take her as a partner. Because see, ultimately, Lakshmi ji is a woman, Saraswati is a woman, Annapurna is a woman, Dharti Mata is a woman. So everything that we require around us is
It's coming from Shakti. one
from
manifest.
Shakti.
Okay,
So
great.
that will help.
What are some of the remedies for people who are either sick or who keep falling sick very often?
See, you have to then check your ghar ka vastu, where you're going wrong. That is why somebody is falling sick. Secondly, keep that patient sleeping on a bed which is head south, feet north. Play Dhanvantri Bhagwan ka mantra. Keep a 24 number by his bedside. Make that person wear a cat-sized stone, which is a very healing stone and can make him all right. If they are in such a position that they can't wear it, then just keep the stone below their bed. Keep a Dhanvantri Bhagwan ka picture also near them. Their clothes should always be white and little bit of blue should always be there on their body. Also play Hanuman Chalisa near a sick person.
What are some of the numero vastu remedies for students?
For students, first of all, sit facing east or north while studying. Always have a Saraswati Mata ka little statue next to you. During your exams, quietly write a 24 number in between the answer which the teacher does not see. You will do good marks.
Which careers will see a boom in 26?
Pandit Jis are going to have a field here. There will be a lot of pujas happening in every house. Mandirs are already full, but puja yadna, people will go into spirituality too much. Though it is a financial year, but lots of people are going to go more and more deeper into spirituality. People will join more and more classes to learn. It's a year where people will thrive for knowledge. So coaching classes will do well, teachers teaching maybe cooking or Spanish or anything. People teaching something or the other, the teachers will do well, coaches will do well, lifestyle coaches will do well. Farming industry, I told you, will do well. Anything coming out of the earth, that also industry will do well.
What are some of the dates where we should avoid traveling?
Always 4s, 8s, 9s if possible. 9 उतना खराब नहीं है, but accident prone है. And Saturday also up to a certain extent.
Okay, so dates adding up to 8.
4, 8, 9
Okay.
and Saturdays. अगर avoid किए जाएं better है.
And people travel mostly on Saturdays.
Yeah, if it's a majburi, it's a good date, it's okay, you can.
Okay. So last year you had suggested that everyone listen to Hanuman Chalisa and we saw the results. Gulshan Kumar's Hanuman Chalisa, I believe, has reached 5 billion views. So this 2026, what mantra would you recommend?
First, I want some commission from T series. Then I will tell you. Okay, here I go. This year, listen to any of the Surya mantras, especially the Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra सुबह उठ के चला दो. So this year, guys, along with Hanuman Chalisa, we add Gayatri mantra.
So we continue listening to Hanuman.
Every day. Yes, yes. Hanuman Chalisa is forever.
Okay.
He's right here. He's Chiranjeevi.
Chiranjeevi, correct, correct. Nirmanakaya. Haan.
Yeah, he has to be heard every day. People who know how to say it should say it.
Okay.
Otherwise, hear it at least. It's going to be very hot again, huh? Like last year. This year is also going to be hot, especially in central India. तो hot होता है, तो please make sure कि you are putting water to your plants, watering your house ka plants, watering outside plants, keeping some water for the birds, but not in our own balcony, our own terrace. You have to leave your compound wall. Go across the road, keep anywhere water. For stray animals, for birds, do these things because this year is going to be very. वैसे तो he feeds everybody. Even if we don't keep that water for that bird, God will make sure that bird gets his water from somewhere. But do this because it's going to be really hot this year. This year, people will drink a lot of water because they are going to be thirsty. Also, I think whiskey is going to be the highest selling. So, वैसे भी the Scotch and whiskeys are doing very well every year. But this year, they will have a bumper sale.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.